Do you have low back pain and you don't know how to strengthen your core, back, and glutes muscles? Hi, my name is Annie and welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. Join me for our gentle, core activating glutes Pilates to support your lumbar spine so you have a stronger core, back, and overall posture. So get your mat ready for this gentle 15-minute routine. Even 15 minutes a day will make a big difference on your overall core and back strength. That's why I make a lot of 15 minutes video for those who have back pain, because you will be more consistent on adding any exercise regimen. And then you can slowly progress from 15 to 20 minutes. In a couple of weeks, you'll be realizing you can do 30 to 1 hour videos. And if you need my gentle guidance, support, hand in hand to reach all your goals, I'll be reopening my back masterclass on May 26th to help support your overall health, to regain life without back pain, to have a stronger core and improve overall posture. You can sign out down below on the early bird waitlist for first come, first serve basis, so you can be guided by me with my Zoom meeting calls in a small, intimate class. And I have a lot of videos you can check out also on my channel if you can't make it to my back masterclass. But if you need my special guidance with your specific needs, because sometimes everyone is different with their back health, and if you need my special evaluation, that's why as a physical therapist with more than 20 years experience, I could be there to guide you. So in this video, it's going to be gentle to start activating your core, especially your glutes muscles, because your glutes will support your overall posture and it's one of the foundations to support your lumbar spine. Without the glute strength, especially if you've been sitting a lot, it will create a lot of atrophy and stiffness on that area. So in this video, it's a combination of Pilates and yoga, especially in the end of the program, you're going to have a gentle flexibility, mobility flow that you will love and you will feel so good. So that's why even 15 minutes of everyday exercises. So I'll make this 15 minutes so you can already start the program. Okay, let's begin. Now, bend your knee, place your hands behind your thighs, slowly roll down one vertebrae at a time and breathe out. And we're going to start with gentle tabletop. With your knees bent, this will help support your spine and you feel your breath by placing your hand on your abdomen and one at the small of the back. And we'll start slowly doing tabletop. So tabletop is when you lift your leg up to 90 degrees, knees bent to 90, knee level to your hip. As you breathe in, belly button rise while keeping your back in neutral. So as I place my hand at the small of my back, I'm not pressing it down, keeping it with a slight curvature, and then toes pointing away, and then slowly lower it down to the mat and exhale. And squeeze your belly button to your spine to support your core muscles and activate those muscles that's been weak from prolonged sitting position. Now, so switch to the other side. Inhale, tabletop, 90 degrees bend, and then exhale down. We'll do this 9 more times, alternating right and left. Inhale as you bend to 90, exhale down. 8 more. Breathe in, breathe out. Switch to the other side. 7 more. Feels good on your hips. Slow and steady, 1 breath, 1 motion. 6 more. Inhale as you lift. Exhale as you slowly go down. Try not to plop your foot down the mat. 4 more. If you can't lift to 90, that's fine. If you have very weak core and hips. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Left side. Last set. And last one on your left. And now we are gonna progress by doing tabletop to 90 degrees again, and then slowly opening your knee out to the side, keeping your foot and knee level. Try not to lower it and kicking your knee out. You want to make sure they're still 90 degrees without twisting your spine. So I'm not twisting to the right. I'm keeping my back planted on the mat So if you have stiffness in your hip groin area, you want to keep it there, not too low down the mat and you ended up twisting your spine. You just want to feel a gentle stretch as you inhale, exhale back center to 90, and then all the way down to starting position, foot down to the mat. Then you switch to the other side. I'm switching to the left. Inhale, exhale, open, squeezing my core in. Inhale, back center, and then exhale down. 9 more. Inhale, exhale to the side. Inhale, back center, exhale down. Switch again to the left. Exhale out. Inhale, back center, and down. 6 more. You breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale, switch. Inhale, exhale. 5 more. Slow and steady. 1 breath, 1 motion. Left side, tabletop, hip opening, tabletop, and then down. 4 more. You might feel fatigue now on your hips. Switch again. I'm keeping my core engaged, pulling it towards my spine. 2 more. Open, center, tabletop, exhale down to the mat. Switch, tabletop, open, center, down. Last set. Center, down. Last one on your left. Open, center, and down. Now let go of your hands. Place it on the side between your hips, and we're going to do some bridging. Bridging will help activate your glutes. Toes pointing away. Grab the mat with your toes so you can really push down with your feet and slowly lift your hips up off the mat. Try not to overarch your spine. As you inhale, belly rise, and then exhale slowly. Breathe out through your mouth, belly button to your spine, and then slowly roll down bone to the mat. So you're trying to lower it down slow and steady without plopping your spine down the mat gently. If you have increasing pain, stop, which means you're not ready. You just want to do just gentle breathing and squeezing your core in, just pressing down to the mat for those absolute beginners. But if you can slowly lift your buttocks now, you can join me. Inhale, belly rise, don't overarch your spine. Exhale, squeeze your core in, and then roll down bone to the mat until you can lower your hips all the way down. Inhale, bridge, belly rise, squeeze your core in, and then roll down. 2 more. Inhale, bridge, belly rise, squeeze your core in, squeeze your glutes as hard as you can. Exhale down. Last one, my friends. Bridge, belly rise, squeeze your core in, and then exhale down. Well done. Now we're gonna lie on your side with your knees bent 45 degrees. Rest your ear down to your shoulder. You can bend your elbow for support. One hand in front of you so you're not twisting your spine for absolute beginner. Feet together, knees together. Then slowly lift the top knee as you breathe in for a clamshell without twisting your spine. Belly rise. Exhale, squeeze your core in. Then lower your knee down. Inhale, open. Exhale down. You're going to feel it on the top of your hip here, targeting your glutes medius to support your pelvis and your back. If you feel some ache a little bit as you fully open your knee, try your best not to lean back, keeping your hand in front of you so that you're a little bit more in neutral position. Open, inhale, exhale down. 4 more. 3, 2, last one, and 1. And now we are progressing by lifting your knee and your foot at the same time. Parallel clamp. Inhale, exhale down. Squeezing your core in as you exhale. Inhale, belly rise. Exhale, squeeze your core in. 4 more. 3, 2. Last one, my friends, and 1. Well done. Now we're gonna extend your leg with your knees straight, and we're gonna do a gentle lift. Your foot up. Inhale, exhale down. Side leg lift is a good exercise to strengthen your hip muscles. Inhale, exhale. 3 more. 2. Last one, my friends, and 1. Well done. Now let's switch to the other side. Slowly sit up and lie on your left side. This time, bend your knees to 45 degrees. Feet and knees together. One hand in front of you so you can do a clamshell. 45 degree. Inhale, exhale down. Squeezing your core in, engage. 4 more. You might find one side a little bit tighter or weaker. And that's when you can try to do an extra set if you have time before you start your day. 2 more. Last one. Now we're going to lift your knee and your foot at the same time. Parallel clamp. Exhale down as much as you can. Try not to twist your spine. 4 more. 3. You might feel tired now as you're an absolute beginner. Slowly progress as I said earlier. Last one. And down. Now we're going to extend your leg, keeping your back neutral and lift. Just keep your foot relaxed. You don't have to toes away. If you want to challenge, you can point your toes away or dorsiflex, keeping your toes pointing towards you, whichever you can tolerate. Especially for those absolute beginners, you just want to focus on lifting your foot up. 2 more. Last one, my friends. And lie on your back with your knees bent. We're going to cool down now for some gentle stretching. Figure 4. Right foot over the opposite thigh. Press it to a figure 4 and then press your knee out. You're going to feel a lovely stretch on your glutes and your hip joint. As you inhale, exhale, pull it towards you for a lovely deeper stretch, and you might feel some pain on your hip groin area as well. Inhale, open. Exhale, pull. 2 more. Inhale, open, and then pull. Last one, and then pull. Now let's switch to the other side. Left foot over the right thigh. This time, push out first as you inhale, and then exhale, pull. Breathe in, breathe out. 2 more. Last one. And pull. Well done. Now we are gonna hug one knee to your chest. We're gonna start with your right. You're gonna feel that stretch on your hip as well and your back. And then as you exhale, slowly extend your leg. If you can't lock your knee, that's fine. Toes pointing away. If your knee is a little bit buckled, that's okay. But if you can lock it, you're gonna feel a deep stretch all the way down to your toes. And then dorsiflex to have a gentle sciatic nerve glide. And then bend your knee while you're in dorsiflex. And then tippy toes away. And then extend your leg. Dorsiflex. And then bend. Inhale, tippy toes. Extend. Dorsiflex. And then down. 2 more. Last one, my friends. And then switch to the other side. Hug first your knee to your chest. You're going to feel a little bit different on one side, and that's normal. And then extend your leg as much as you can. As I said, dorsiflex once you extend your knee as much as you can. And then bend your knee to your chest. Lower your foot down. And then tippy toes as well again. Point your toes away as you extend your knee. Then dorsiflex. And then exhale down. 4 more. Feels so good to glide the nerve to relieve pressure off your back. 2 more. Last one. Tippy toes, dorsiflex your ankle, and then down. Well done. Now hug your knees to your chest, both of them, both knees. And then inhale, exhale, rock side to side to relieve pressure of your hips. Now we are extending both knees, toes pointing away, then dorsiflex, and then bend your knees and dorsiflex. Tippy toes, extend, dorsiflex, and down. 2 more. Ticks and clicks on your ankles and knees. Feels so good. 2 more. Last one, my friends. And now we are ending the program for a butterfly stretch. Lower your knees down to the side, open your hips, and then let it rest there for 5 deep breaths. 2 more. Last one, my friends. And then close your knees together in the middle, and then slowly trunk twist, lower both knees on one side and turn your head away. I'm keeping my hands on my waist so I can feel my breath work. 5 deep breaths. Last deep breath in. And then switch to the other side. Lower both knees to the left as you turn your head to the right. Last deep breath in. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed my lovely gentle Pilates yoga to strengthen your core, even just for 15 minutes, targeting your glutes, your hips, and your overall core abdominal muscles as well. If you love this video and want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy, health and wellness, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Like and share this video. Every like you give to my channel, you are supporting me. And if you need my special guidance support, you can join my back masterclass that I'll be reopening soon. Click the link on the description below. Be part of my early bird waitlist for a first come first serve basis. And if you miss out on this May 26 opening and you can't make it for summer 2023, I'll be reopening again by fall. And you can always sign up again if you want to be reminded on how to join my program through my email. And if you need more extra special guidance and support, I have more videos that you can try today if you have more time today, or you can do another video tomorrow. Here's a video that's really great about quadratus lumborum pain, so you learn more about how to cope if you're suffering with one side pain. And I have a sciatica video playlist you can check out over here if you're suffering from sciatica, which means pain going down your leg. Until my next video training, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!